In this video, we're doing a side-by-side spec comparison between the LG K40 and the Samsung Galaxy A10e. We're going to put them side by side and see which one has the better specs. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, first of all, thank you. Second of all, if you can hit that subscribe button down below and tap the little bell to turn on post notifications. Also, if you find the video helpful, hit that like button at the end and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear it. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So we always start with the specs, these software specs. And so they're both going to be running the latest Android 9 Pie software. And one slight difference on the Samsung is that Samsung is going to be running their One UI on top of Android 9 Pie. So theirs always looks slightly different. Next, we have the screen size. So the Samsung Galaxy A10e is slightly larger at 5.83 inches. That 5.83 inch HD Plus Infinity display. And just to show you on the first slide here, the size of the phones are going to be relatively similar. However, the top of the phone, the forehead, is almost non-existent because you're getting an infinity display, edge-to-edge display. So you only get a slight little chin at the bottom, but at the top it goes all the way to the edge. However, on the K40, you have a pretty big forehead at the top here and a big chin at the bottom. So although the phones do look like the screen size is the same, it is slightly bigger on the A10e because it is an infinity display and goes all the way to the edge. So the Samsung does take it for the screen size category. Next, we have the camera. This is where the K40 is going to shine. They're both going to have a 5 megapixel front camera. K40 does also have a front flash as well, and their rear camera is 13 megapixels, so you are getting a little bit of a better camera in terms of megapixels on the K40. Internal memory wise, don't be fooled, guys. Now both these phones on the surface will advertise a 32 gig internal storage of memory. However, you always have to look at the user storage, and basically that's when you subtract the operating system. So the operating system and any pre-installed apps, how much memory is available for you to use out of the box. And so out of the box, on the K40, you get a miserable 17.9 gigs, which is almost half of that 32. However, on the A10e, you are getting 21 gigs, so you're getting a lot more. And for that reason, the A10e will take it for the internal storage category. Just as a note, both phones, you can expand the memory with the micro SD card. So you can always add more, but it's always important to try to get as much internal storage as possible, especially if you're someone who takes a lot of pictures or a lot of video. In terms of battery, there's not too much difference here. The A10e is slightly larger at 3000 milliamp versus the K40 having a 2890 milliamp battery. So not too much difference, although A10e is slightly better, so it does take that category. And both phones, the battery is non-removable, so you cannot open the back and you can't swap the battery out. In terms of processor and RAM, they're both going to have an octa-core processor. However, on the K40, you are getting a 1.8 gigahertz processor, and you're getting 3 gigs of RAM, whereas A10e only has 2 gigs. So processing power is going to be a lot faster on the K40, and that's definitely a big selling point for that phone. Weight, you're going to be getting a slightly lighter phone with the K40. If weight is an important thing to you, you're getting, it's almost an ounce difference. So just something to keep in mind. And in terms of extra features, this is also where the K40 is going to shine a little bit more than the A10e. You do get a rear fingerprint scanner as well as facial recognition and a front flash. On the A10e, you're getting basically that infinity display that goes edge to edge, so that premium look. And you're also getting facial recognition. So I would say the K40 does have a slight edge in terms of extra features because you are getting that rear fingerprint scanner. So this has been our side-by-side comparison of the specs on the LG K40 and the A10e. The question now for you is, what is more important? Is it a slightly better rear camera, faster processor, more RAM, and lighter phone with fingerprint scanner? Or is it that beautiful infinity display on the A10e with 4 more gigs of internal storage and a slightly larger battery? That's the debate. Do us a favor, guys, leave us a comment down below and let us know which phone you would pick of the two. We always love to hear your feedback. Also, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And on the next screen, you're going to see a little green circle. That is a link to our new site, Tech Made Easy, where we're going to have a bunch of other tech tutorials. And so we'd love to see your support, and subscribe over there and stay in our loop. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.